In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to use ChatGPT to answer test questions. Well, to be able to answer test questions, there's like two ways you can do this with ChatGPT. The first thing is you could ask ChatGPT to explain the concept to you, and then you retry the question that you failed. Or you could directly give the question to ChatGPT for it to solve step by step and explain you what you did wrong, perhaps, and how to go about the question. Well, for the first option, understanding concepts, if you don't understand a particular topic, what you can do is you can go ahead and write the topic name and ask ChatGPT to explain some specific points of the topic. If the topic is too broad, then ChatGPT might not cover some important points that you were looking towards. That's why it's always better to be or best to be specific when asking something to ChatGPT, right? So make sure if the topic is too broad, you specify the topic precisely to um, very unique topic and then ask the question. Okay, for example, can you explain the water cycle in simple words, not instead of what we say instead of the topic. Well, yeah, basically, can you explain the water cycle in simple words? This is a very unique example of explain asking ChatGPT to explain your topic. Okay, and perhaps ask for some real life examples to get your concepts more clear, right? So example, how does Newton's first law apply in sports? Okay, to be more clear, ChatGPT will explain you in detail. Okay, now to further develop your concepts, what you can do is you can ask ChatGPT to give you some practice questions from made by ChatGPT, right? And well, based on them, you could give the answers after the questions have been given to you, answer them, and send them back to ChatGPT. And let's see if you get them correct this time. Okay? Well, that'll be it for the first method. For the second method, that would be directly giving the question to ChatGPT, right? Well, what you can do is basically now there's two ways about it. You can go about this. Okay, you could directly copy the text, right? If the question is easy to copy, you can just directly copy the text and paste it. So let's say can't really get one, but basically let's say you copy this from your book. Okay, so there's a question in your book and you copied it and you just typed it down here. Okay, solve in respect to I mean 5x plus 8 equals 3x plus 9, right? And well, let's say this was a question from the book. Now you directly copied it and pasted it here, and then you enter it, and ChatGPT will give you a step-by-step, what we say, process on this, right? Now, and the more better method, or the method, but it is a better method, but it does require ChatGPT Premium unless you want to stick to 3 uses a day. What you can do is you can go ahead straight to the question. You can snip it out of the book or wherever you're doing it. Take a picture out of it basically, and get the image copied in your clipboard. Now what you can do is just straight up paste the image into ChatGPT. Now what this does is ChatGPT analyzes the image and solves the question. Now you just ask to solve it, and it solves it for you. Easy as that. You don't even because the thing is some questions out there do have images, right? Like diagrams, and you can't really type in the diagrams like can you. So it's always better to have the snipping tool. But this is costly because ChatGPT you would need ChatGPT Premium, right? So anyways, you unless you do get three free uses per day, okay? So just go ahead and enter it, and it will solve the question for you. Right, there we go. It's going ahead and solving the question step by step. Now, if you don't understand a particular step, you could ask ChatGPT to, explain that particular step. For example, why was P replaced for this? Well, you can literally see it, but if there was something that you did not get, you could ask ChatGPT to explain that in more detail, right? So that'll be it for this video. I hope it helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.